Grace has found me just as I am, empty-handed but alive.
Greetings to Kenyans and to fellow Africans who are Nigerians. I am Judge Black Cinderella, and I'm doing this video to address a certain issue that has come up because of the cry of a mother who is crying for the best interest and the future of the son she sired and brought to this world with chief priest from Nigeria. Now, Madam Helen is not financially capable or financially buoyant to take care of this child and provide basic needs. And while she's crying out to the whole worldwide about the future and the well-being of this same child, who evidently resembles chief priest. However, under the law, it is only a DNA test that can be recognized admissible if we want to pursue the same in a court of law. And so until the DNA test is done and it is certain that this child belongs to Pascal or chief priest in Nigeria, we can only go by our own assumptions as human beings and by the consent of the mother and what she has told us already. Personally, I know Helen. She is a sister. She is a good friend. And during the period they were in courtship with the chief priest, I knew about it. I knew that they were seeing each other. It went as far as me having information of their conjugal visits and entertainment, whereby it was stated clearly that chief priest is a lover of washing plates. He likes washing plate, and they engage in those activities together. And at some point, because chief priest is a high profile person in the community and the society and in the whole world, it was also part of his duty to understand that this could have been stopped or prevented by the use of a condom. And so when we claim that this lady might have trapped chief priest, that is an absurd and oblivious and malicious statement to judge a mother, given the fact that this is Africa and we know that men are not raped. So we cannot claim that the mother is on the wrong because she has a child out of wedlock with chief priest. At that moment, they were involved in conjugal visit. It was also chief priest's responsibility to prevent this by use of a condom, or just do not fornicate outside or commit adultery, because he's a married man. You cannot pin this accusation on the mother. This mother is crying because of the welfare of the child and not an inheritance. We are not seeking inheritance from chief priest. We are telling him that this child is unable to go to school. This child does not have basic needs. This child and the mother, they do not have a shelter and they feed from hand to mouth. It's been a struggle for 2 years. Kindly do not come in between this help that we are seeking from chief priest, because you have those fried brains in the street that it is a woman who is at fault. Now, someone actually went ahead and even told us in Kenya that that this lady, did she not know that chief priest was married? Now, I want to retaliate that statement legally and under the law to state clearly that chief priest being married or being someone else's husband does not stop the reggae. It does not stop the reggae. The thing is, under the law and under the children's rights all over the world, we have common laws for the children that protect children. Every child has the right to obtain education, basic needs, parental love, protection, and financial assistance, especially in this case where the father is well known as a well-off man, man of integrity, man of money, manina water. There is absolutely no apparent reason why chief priest cannot want to come to Kenya for a DNA test so that we can talk in terms of the welfare of the the child. Nobody is asking him for inheritance. Nobody is targeting his wealth and his position in the society. He blocked the mother, and there was no way absolutely to reach him on WhatsApp privately, because we do not know his friends. So when Nigerians come in and start saying, did she not know that Chiefpriest was married, and did Chiefpriest ask her if he wanted a baby, then we are also asking, as Kenya, as the Republic of Kenya, how comes the spermatozoa of Chiefpriest left his body and found itself inside the womb of this our beautiful, lovely girl from Kenya? Because it is also his responsibility. These two people did something at night, and they came up with a lovely angel. This angel does not deserve the hate. This angel does not deserve to be secluded from his siblings. This angel does not deserve to be judged because of the mother only. Let us be fair. Where there is a problem, I expect that Nigerians are too intelligent, having interacted with them for over 11 years. And I know that Nigerians are people who have Africanism inside them. And when they come up and help, they can really help. If the father does not want to come down from his ego and admit that he made a mistake that now brought an angel to the world, we are expecting that Nigerians will take this responsibility and assist this child. All we are asking is that let this child access basic needs and his child rights until he's at the age of 18, where he can basically he can fend for himself, he can cater for himself as a man. But right now the mother does not have the capacity to raise this child, and it is so sad because Chiefpriest is widely known as Manina Water. This is your flesh and blood. Chiefpriest, we do like to apologize for us coming online, but that is because you cut off all the communication that could have been done in the private, and we had no choice. We are only reminding you that children are children. These are blessings. These are not weapons that we fight the mothers with. These are not weapons we fight the fathers with. Whatever the situation was between you and this woman, you are a man, you are a lovely father, you are a lovely husband, you perform your duties as a father. Please do not seclude your own child, and do not be the first person on earth to hate your own baby. Because when we sent you the video of this child on WhatsApp when he was born, Chiefpriest, you sent an emoji vomiting. And you said that thing can never be your son. But apart from those words that were spoken, the child is growing every day. We are only looking at the best interest of the boy. We are not here to judge you for adultery. We are not here to judge you for whatever thing that you have going on in your life. What we are asking is, please have the compassion of a father. We know you have that compassion when it comes to your two children that you raise in Nigeria, and we know that this has caused an inconvenience in your marriage. But however, the child is already here. We cannot kill the child, and we cannot throw the child. This child has to grow up, and this child has to have a future, because whatever you might want to say and however you might want to feel, this is a continuation of your lineage. It is going to grow, and that blood is going to be represented in Kenya too. Please, with the love of Christ, apart from the legals, do help your child. This is Judge Black Cinderella, and we will be suing Chiefpriest tomorrow at TLC. I will be sharing the Zooming procedure on TikTok. So find yourself on TikTok looking for Judge Black Cinderella, and you are able to watch the proceeding of this case, whereby we are suing for the child's interest. Thank you so much, and do have a good evening wherever you're watching this from.